Well, good evening, everyone. Puppies are going to see the vet this Friday. They'll be getting their shots, and on Monday, they'll be doing their last deworming, and they'll be 8 weeks old on Tuesday. So, but I did say the 29th was when they could go home. They could go home anytime between Tuesday and whenever you want, really. But they'll be fine till the 29th. They're pretty cute. Zoe has such a personality. She is just awesome. She plays with the other two, and she's the bigger one, so she does on occasion get a little rough with them, but she's never hurt them or anything. And she's really, see how she just Sarah's wadding up. See how she is? She's just so cute. Rolls over for a belly rub right away. Yeah, she's just so friendly. Pick her up, she just melts into your arm. Okay, Sarah, come on, that's not fair. Poor Zoe. Poor Zoe. Yes. Upside down on your back. And they take advantage of that, eh, big girl? Yes, Zoe. Hello, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Oh, goodness. They're actually out of their pen quite often through the day, and they get along with all the other dogs. They go out on the deck every morning, and around lunchtime, and then around supper time. So they're getting to go out on the deck, and some of them pee, some of them don't. But they're getting it. Yes, Sarah. Yes, Sarah. Hello, Junior. Hi, baby. He's so cute. He's really so cute. And he's usually off laying by himself, saying, well, you girls leave me alone. But they're all really, these three puppies are really good. We don't get very much of that crying at all. She's just doing it now because she really wants out, and I'm right here. Yes, that's kind of teasing her. See, and Zoe, she's so cool about it. Yeah, Sarah figures it doesn't mean nothing being the littlest one. I can do whatever I want. And that's her right there on top. Yeah. Okay, well, I hope everybody's having a great day. I haven't been posting a lot of videos, but we've been really busy, so. But they're doing great. And they're 7 weeks old tomorrow. They're drinking water, and I put the anti-plaque and tartar stuff in their water, and they stop eating the puppy food moistened. They just get to a point where they don't want to eat it wet anymore, and they're eating their kibble dry. And great with it. Once they actually stopped breastfeeding off of mom there, they stopped putting on super amount of weight, and they are able to start moving around and really look like puppies. I mean, really, Zoe, they all looked like little fat worms, but Zoe especially because she was the biggest. But they're absolutely adorable now. Yes. Zoe's on the bottom again. Oh, yeah, there's some puppies over there. Parker's starting to figure out what he's supposed to be doing. Susie's in heat, but she's going to get panties. I'm going to put panties on her pretty quick because she's not going to have puppies this fall. I let Shelby breed with Mikey, so we might have a litter from her in about 8 weeks. Or 60 days. But see, they're so awesome together. They hardly ever fight. When there's 5 to 6 puppies here, there's always somebody fighting. These guys, they're quiet, they're content, and they never really were wanting for food or upset or worried about food because there was no competition on Mom's teats. I mean, she had 8 of them and only had 3 puppies, so. When Shelby and Susie stopped feeding them, I had to wrap them up with cabbage leaves. There's a chemical in the cabbage that is absorbed through the skin, and it helps stop the milk from coming in. The vet told me about that trick, and I didn't have to do that with Meeka because she never ever had to overproduce. There was no stress on her whatsoever because, like I said, she had 8 teats but only 3 puppies. So when Shelby and Susie give birth, they usually mate a couple times, so they usually have 5 to 6 puppies. Meeka only mated the 1 time, and it wasn't planned. But the puppies turned out awesome, and I'm really gonna try and get over to my friend's house, but I had a cortisone shot in my right ankle, and haven't been able to do much walking, and it's hard to go walking with the puppies here anyway. So I probably won't actually get a picture of the dad until after the puppies are gone home. But I will post a picture of what the dad looks like. I will get over there. It's actually a gardening friend of mine, and she has a couple of Yorkies, but she got her grandson a male shitzu, And her Yorkies are fixed, spayed, so she doesn't worry about them at all. And his her grandson's little boy hasn't been fixed. And I wasn't paying attention when I was over there on a walk with Meeka, and they ended up getting connected. Because I was doing really good with her at home, her wearing the panties and everything, but when I take them on a walk, you don't really want to leave the panties on them because they'll poop and pee in the panty. And I mean, that's fine for me. I can turn around and wash it. It's not a big deal, but it's got to be pretty icky and uncomfortable for them. So I just take the panty off. And I didn't realize that the little boy wasn't fixed. Just not paying attention. And that's how these guys came about. But I will get a picture of him. And I will post it. So I hope everybody's having a great evening. They're starting to settle down now, and they'll be snoozing pretty soon, so. Mikey needs his bath. So I'll probably post again either tomorrow or the next day. Oh, and I'm hoping to go to the airport tomorrow because Junior's mummy is coming in, and she's going to her hometown, our hometown, to visit. And then when she comes back, on her way back to where she lives now, she's going to fly out at the end of the month, and she's going to take her little boy home with him then. Right there. Carla's little boy. See, look at how cute those girls are. Sarah and Zoe, they're gonna miss each other. They're always laying together, cuddling, and pretty cute. But I have to get Mikey's bath going, so everybody have a great evening. Bye now.